Hello everyone. Today we will see a procedure oriented programming language, and last we will also see a characteristics of procedure oriented programming language. Here we can also say POP. Both are same. POP is short form of your procedure oriented programming language. Now when we are programming in high level language like COBOL, Fortran and C, so this is known as a procedure oriented programming language. Here basically when procedure oriented programming language we are writing instruction. So instruction is when we are grouping instruction. So group of instruction is called a function. In our program we are using multiple functions. Here our main program is divided into subpart. So this is function 1, this is function 2 and this is function 3. Here our main program or our main problem is divided into subpart. So this is top to down approach. Here you can see our program is divided into multiple functions. Now when we want to communicate with two functions, so at that situation we will use global variable. Global variable is used to communicate between two functions. Here we will use two variables. First is global variable and second is local variable. Here local variable have some limit that was used in within the boundary, within the function or within the class. But global variable is used throughout program anywhere, anytime. So global variable is used to communicate between two functions. Global variable can be used by any functions at any time, while local variable are only used within the functions. Here one problem is occur in global variable. Here large program when we are using global variable we cannot determine which function is used that global variable. So that problem is created when we are using global variable. Here one figure is display relationship between functions and your global variable and your local variable. Here we will use two global variable. So both variable are used all of three functions. Function 1, function 2 and function 3. All function use global variable 1 and 2. Here in our function 1 we are using local variable. So local variable is used within a function. Here local data 1 was not used in function 2. Here function local variable 2 is not used local function 3. So local variable is used within function, but global variable is used outside the function. Function 1, function 2 and function 3 all of use global variable. So global variable is accessed by all the functions. So any function can change its value at any time. So all the function will be affected. That means when global variable 1 is used, function 1, function 2 and function 3. Now global variable value 10 is changed by function 3. So at that time this value is affected by function 2 and function 3 also. Here we will take another example. Here global variable 2 have value 10. So 10 is display in function 1, function 2 and function 3. All three function is use global variable 2. But if global variable 2 will be a change in function 2. So at that situation function 1 and function 3 both are affected. Both have changed value as a that we will change as a 10. Now we will see a characteristics of procedure oriented programming language. Here procedure oriented programming language, it is emphasized on algorithm. That is main focus on algorithm. Here our large program are divided into small part. So a small part that is called a function. Here function can communicate by global variable. When we want to communicate with two function, function 1 and function 2, at that situation both are use global variable. So both function are communicate each other. Here we will use global variables. So we will move openly from our program. Here function change the value of data at any time from any place. And last, it is used top down programming approach.